Hello students. In the last video we discussed about profit maximization, meaning of the profit and meaning of the profit and conditions of the three conditions of the profit maximization. First one condition, P is equal to MC, price must be equal to the M marginal cost, and the second one, marginal cost must be non-decreasing at Q naught, and the third condition, P is a greater in the short period, price is a greater than average variable cost. In the long run, price is a greater than average long run average cost. In the last video we discussed three conditions of the profit maximization and meaning of the profit and etc. In this video the important concept we are discussing, the supply curve of a firm. First we know the meaning of the what is a supply and what is a supply curve and what is a supply schedule and etc. Here firm's supply means the firm's supply is the quantity that it chooses to sell at a given price, given technology and given the price of a factor of a production. It is called firm's supply or a supply. The quantity that choose to sell in the market given price, particular given prices by the firms and given technology and given the prices of a factors of a productions, everything included in that product. The quantity, how much quantity they are supplied in the market, that is called firm's supply. And here another one meaning the supply schedule. Supply schedule means a supply table. Here a table describing the quantities sold by a firm at a various prices, technology and prices of factors remaining unchanged is called the supply schedule. And next another one meaning a supply curve. Here supply curve of a firm. What is supply curve of a firm? The supply curve of a firm shows the levels of output plotted on the x-axis output, and next that the firms choose the produce corresponding to different values of the market price plotted on the y-axis, again keeping technology and prices of a factors of a production unchanged. This is known as a supply curve of a firm. It means output and next the firm choose the produces corresponding different values of the market prices included in the supply curve, that is known as the supply curve. And it is, let us we distinguish between the short run supply curve and the long run supply curve. Here short run supply curve is a very important, it is a 6 marks question. In the last annual exam they are asked this question for a 6 marks question, only short run, not a long run, only short run supply curve of a firm. Here we know that the short run supply curve, it means short run means a limited period, not a long run. Here short run means 3 months or 1 year productions are supplied curve. Here let us turn to figure and derive a firm's short run supply curve. Here this can be divided into two parts. One is the case number 1 and case number 2. Here case number 1, P is greater than or equal to minimum average variable cost. Case number 1, here P price equal to, P means price is greater than or equal to minimum average variable cost. And case number 2, price is a less than minimum average variable cost. Here in the short period 2 cases and in the long period also 2 cases, but ನೀವು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಷ್ಟ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಷ್ಟ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದಲ್ಲ. And first one, case number 1, price is a greater than or equal to the minimum AVC. Here what is that? Suppose we can explain with the help of a diagram, then only you understand the concept. Here see, this one is the diagram. O y-axis it is the price and cost, and O axis it is the output. Here for example this one is the price, it is the this one price 1, it is a price line also called MR, and next AC curve and MR curve also called price line is called, this one is a P1 price, and this is also P2 price line. Here price decreasing, P2 means decreasing price, P1 means higher the prices compared to the P1 prices. Here 3 curve they are given, SMC curve, SMC curve and SAC curve and AVC curve shape is a U shape. Already in the previous chapter you studied about the shapes of the curves. Here this one is the U shape. This one is the marginal cost. Here intersect point of the AVC and SMC. The price should be the above the AVC here. AVC kinta above price ittandre that is the profitable in the short period. And this one and here SAC short run average cost curve is the above the price line here. We can see here. And this one is the point, intersect point is the Q1. That intersect point means MR equal to MC point. It means price line is also called a marginal revenue curve. Marginal revenue curve, MR is equal to the MC curve here. This one Q1 is taken here where the P is equal to MC. This one Q1 is the P is equal to MC. But illi touch agati, but already ನೀವು prices profit maximization conditions or second condition already you studied in the second condition. But this is the quantity is less, but here quantity is 4, but they are given Q1 means here quantity 4 here. Adan consider ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ತಗೊಂಡಾರ. That will be taken by the consider of the second condition of the profit maximization. This Q1 it means here price in the short period price is equal to AVC or greater than AVC, then only they earn the more profit for that. The AVC curve is below. Suppose P2 price, they are fixed the P2 price. That P2 price is not touch here. Okay, here not touch price line and here not touch the marginal cost. It means there have a 0 units or 0 productions ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. P2 ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ನಾಟ್ ಟಚ್ ಎನಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ 0 ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತೈತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನೋ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಹಿಯರ್. For example, they are given a note also that the average at the Q1 does not exceed the market prices here. And next P1, thus all three conditions highlights in a profit maximization are satisfied at Q1. Profit maximization here already they are given here. This one price here Q1 and this one is the B point is the Q4. Here they are considered the Q4, consider idna Q4 anta consider, but Q1 anteli bardara. And this one gives the highest productions, but suppose this intersect point they are taken, there have a less here. Same thing, this one is the first one in the short period supply curve. This one is the supply curve. ಈಗ supply curve ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? In the case number 2 supply curve ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Half of the marginal cost curve. Marginal cost curve is called supply curve. From this point here to this point to this point, here to intersect point to here, this is the half of the marginal cost curve is called supply curve of a firm. And case number 2 case number 2 price is less than the minimum AVC. Price is less than AVC here. Suppose the market price is a P2. Suppose market price, this one market price is a P2 which is a less than the minimum AVC. We can see here this is the AVC curve, P2 is the below, the price is a below. We have argued that if the profit maximization firm produces a positive output in the short run, then the market price is a P2 must be greater than or equal to the AVC. But P2 ಒಳಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, earn ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟನ್ನು earn ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. This one taken the P2 here, sorry P1 greater than or equal to the AVC at the output level. But notice from the figure that for all the positive output, this one positive output levels, AVC strictly exceeds the P2 here. In other words, it cannot be the case that the firm supplies a positive output. So if the market price is a P2, the firm produces a 0 output. Suppose market price ಏನಾದರೂ P2 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ the market, the producers produce 0. They have no profit to the producers. We can see here they are taken in the which one in the case number 2 here. This one is the blue color. This is the price line and intersect a point. This point we are taken here. This point ABC intersect to the MC curve. This point only we are taken here. This point and half of the from start from here ABC intersect point. Sorry, I am said here. ABC intersect point, ABC intersect to MC curve. From here to here, this is called half of the marginal cost curve is called a supply curve. This is the supply curve. Board area, it is the supply curve. This is the price level where the intersect point of the ABC and next supply market marginal cost point. This one is the blue colored board area is called a supply curve. Supply curve shaping ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Just ಇದಷ್ಟ ನಾವು supply curve ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. This is not a consider from intersect ABC and next here marginal cost half of here upwards slope of the curve. Combining the case of 1 and 2, we reach an important conclusion. Firm's short run supply curve is the rising part of the SMC curve from and above the minimum ABC together to 0 output for all the prices strictly less than the minimum ABC. In the above figure, the bold line, blue color line represent the short run supply curve of the firm. And this is the short run. Short run is a very important. You have to draw the two diagrams, case 1 diagram and case 2 diagram. In the long run supply curve, so let us turn to the figure of the deriving the firms of a long run supply curve. Long run or supply curve, ಯಾವುದನ್ನ long run or supply curve ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Here also case number 1 P is greater than or equal to the long run average cost. Case number 2 P is less than LRAC, long run average cost. Case number 1 price is greater than or equal to the minimum long run average cost. Here also same thing we are seeing, but only two diagrams here, long run average cost curve and long run marginal cost curve. Here this one is the intersect point of the long run average cost and long run marginal cost. Here OY excess price and cost and O excess it is the output. Here price P1 above the long run average cost. Here long run average cost. This can be the profitable to the firm. Suppose they are choose the P2. P2 is the 0 productions here. Same thing in the ABC curve in the previous case number 1. And here prices less than the minimum LRS. P is less than LRS. P is the price, it will be taken the LRA mean less than the LRAC. The curve here same thing, the intersect point what we are given here, this one intersection from here to here is called a supply curve. Here we can see here this one point intersect point of both, we can take the price minimum less than prices ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ there have no productions that are equal to the prices of the LRAC and LRMC equal point. This equal from start from equal point to intersect point LRAC to LRMC intersect point to last point, it is called a supply curve here. And both combination combining the case 1 and 2, we reach an important conclusion. A firm's long run supply curve is the rising part of the LRMC curve from the above the minimum LRAC together with a 0 output for all the prices less than the minimum LRAC. In this figure case number 2, the bold line blue colored line represent the long run supply curve of the firm. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ಬ್ಲೂ ಲೈನನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟೀನಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಕರ್ವ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. And in this topic the important question only there have a 6 marks question here, that is a 6 marks question, very important question. Explain the short run supply curve of the firm with the help of a diagrams. You have to explain not a long run, only short run. 6 marks question. Start from here, short run supply curve. write a meaning of the supply curve and start from here, short run supply curve, and this one 6 next question and 2 diagrams, case 1 and case 2. Not they are asked about the long run question. Okay, thank you and subscribe the video.